Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Exploring AI Tools. In today's video, we are going to dive into Google Deep Research Tool. Think of it as an advanced version of your everyday Google search, like having an expert research assistant who helps you find the best, most accurate information for your projects. So let's say you are working on a project about global trade and you choose a topic like tea manufacturing in Vietnam. Vietnam is well known for its high quality tea. There, producing everything from traditional green tea to innovative blends. But how do you find out all the details without getting lost in endless search results? This is where the Google Deep Research tool comes in. Imagine it working just like a sourcing agent, a professional who finds and connects you with the best suppliers. Here's what happens. You start by typing in your question, like how do Vietnamese tea manufacturers manage production and quality? The tool sift through a massive collections of articles, business profiles, and research reports. Just as a sourcing agent would recommend the top suppliers, the tool filters out the clutter and brings you the most detailed and reliable information. In the end, you receive a well-organized summary that explains everything from production methods to quality control, making your project a lot easier to understand. Instead of spending hours scrolling through pages of information, you get a clear, concise summary. It's like having a professional sourcing agent by your side, offering you the best recommendation and insight when you need them. We are going to log into Google Gemini and put this prompt into work. Let's dive. All right, guys. So we are here on the Gemini page. To access this, you can go to gemini.google.com. So you are here on the main page. So I can change this Gemini Advanced here. I'm going to change it to the deep research, and then we are going to type in the question right here. How do Vietnamese tea manufacturers manage production and quality? Oh, we're gonna send it. All right, so here's the plan to tackle that topic. It has step 1 through 8. So we're just gonna give it, there you go. So I don't think there's anything that I need to change. So it's going to do all the work for us. I'm just going to hit start research. All right, guys, as you guys can see, this is a big research. So it has already gone through 63 websites. We can also saw the thinking here. It is going through a lot of websites. We'll come back to it when it's done. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, all the research is completed here. So it has gone through multiple websites, close to 83 websites that I've seen. So imagine you doing this by yourself, like manually. It will take you hours and hours of research to gather this information, or if not days. It's pretty useful. So what I can do, I can export these on my Google Docs. I have everything that I needed here. Management of production and quality by Vietnamese tea manufacturers. Look at all these guys, about 19 pages of research. This is pretty awesome. Yeah, it used to take me days, like I said, doing this manually because I have to go through those websites like one by one, extracting the information that's needed. You guys should try it out. Let me know what you think. Please remember to subscribe and like this video. It will definitely help. Thank you very much.